I guess. Well, the day finally came and we did take a loss. Not really too upset about it. There was this trade at a little bit after market open where we tapped into this bearish 4 hour fair value gap. We swept out this buy side liquidity, had an SMT, and there was a 1 minute inversion here. And this was pretty clean. It wasn't a bad setup. We just had an unfilled 5 minute right here, and ES had tapped in it before NQ did. That's why we got the little reversal right here. And then from there was no like entry or like actually anything else to take it off of. It was really just that initial tap back into the inversion fair value gap. But like I said, you could have taken it on this displacing candle here, but this was just a huge 5 minute bullish fair value gap. So there really wasn't anything there to take. And then going for what was my model, we had swept out this low. We did have an SMT at this low. We had an SMT at this low. That's fine. We still had London lows on ES and NQ, and that was what I was targeting. So from here, we can see ES on the right here. These are London lows. We closed a body below this sell side. So, to me, it looks like, all right, we want to go take these London lows. We wait for price to rebalance a little bit. From here, we end up sweeping this high, and then we end up rejecting off of this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. We reject off this 1 minute bearish fair value gap. We have a big displacing candle, and then we end up inversing this inversion fair value gap here. Enter my position there, targeting this low, or whenever ES decides to take out London lows. Break even at the internal low, but unfortunately, we make equal lows right after our entry, and we get stopped out pretty quickly. Not really too upset about it, just because, that is my model at the end of the day, and I'll take that trade every day of the week. Pretty good risk to reward on this trade. Everything was telling me that we wanted to go lower to these London lows, but this SMT unfortunately just ended up holding. But hey, that's okay. Losses happen with trading, so I haven't taken a loss for a while now, so it was definitely due. But yeah, risk was managed. We lost about $500 on that trade, and we were done from there on the live account. So yeah, that's basically it. I would say don't get stressed up about taking a loss. Like, they're normal within the market. Just get back to it and stick to your model, and everything will be good. So hopefully you guys did not over risk and over leverage on this trade. Hopefully it was just a managed risk. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, guys. It's the first day of the week. There's no reason to get stressed out about taking one loss. So I'll see you boys tomorrow's live stream.